Hey, Candice Lee here, and I just wanted to share how awesome our business kit is. Like, unbelievably business kit, like crazy. I would show you mine, but mine is like 7 years old, and I've used everything. It's completely different. But what you get today is actually coincide with what's going on with the world and what you would need, just to one, get your business going, but two, to have your kitchen stocked up with everything you need for the virtual world we're in. So, doing videos, lives, posts, eating and sharing, talking about a recipe, seeing what it's all about. And what's cool is that it's not just the product for the product. Um, like sure, you could just buy it as a customer and go ahead with it or host, but this is different. Hosting or being a ambassador now is different. So this kit is like 125 Canadian and 99 US, as you can see right there. Like, how cool is that? Like, let's just zoom that in. But it's $350 in value or 295 whether Canadian US. And you can take this and do so much more with it. And so what I mean by it's different, it's like, well, this is an opportunity for not just to eat it, but to share it and get more people loving it and sharing how awesome you are in the kitchen is because of these products and getting them to see, oh my God, that is just as awesome. And it's like, it is giving back, it is being of service. And that is what I love about all of this. But also, we're all here for a discount, right? We all really want to get a little money back or get a little bit extra when we do these things. And this kit is like, as you can see, it's like over 40% discounted for all the products. So yeah, you're right. You as a customer could go ahead and order it, but wouldn't you like to be the person who not only can get the kit at 40% off, but also can get paid for sharing? So how awesome is that? Like you get paid to share what you love. You get paid to share this food. That you eat this delicious food and you get paid to share it. Like 25 to 33%. So that is awesome. And that just comes on a weekly paycheck. It's just weekly paycheck. Like I don't know what else to say about that. I love when I could look in the account on a Friday morning and boom, there's my Epic Year goodies all in there and it's so exciting. So this is all the items you get with it. So this is the current kit we have going right now. Obviously we're transitioning, but the scenario is you'll get the catalogs for the this season and then the next. You will get compensation booklets and new consultant trainings, 40% off coupons, and all that kind of stuff to get your business rolling that way. But you get the e-commerce website, you get your ability to start sending out affiliate links right away. You can start getting new hosts if you want right away. And they don't get just $20. They get actually $40 for being your brand new customer within your first current month. So like all the month you joined and all the next month, that's your first 30 days. So it can be could be 60 because if you joined on the 1st of March, it's the whole entire month. But you joined today, it's the 17th of March. This is when I'm doing this. You will get the rest of the March and all of April is your first month. So those people get those $40 if they want to host with you. And hosting's about to change to make it easier. It's so awesome. So yeah, you get like the taco kit. You get the Better Than Takeout kit. You get the cool multi-purpose steamer. You get our 4 prep bowls, which I love, love, love these things. There's so many things. And then the back office, which is full of training, social medias, of marketing, of specials, all that is back there. It's really easy to navigate and figure all that. And if not, I'm here to help you do all that. So that's kind of what we are about. So there you go. Like this is what our kit is in a simple format. It comes all ready for you in a box, gets shipped out within to you in days, but you can get started the moment you press the join button, which by the way is right here. Join button. You go to my website, you click join, and you can do that. And if you are interested, I can even give you 10% off of that right now if you want it. So hit me up between now until the end of March for 10% off and let's chat about how you can turn your epic love into an epic biz.